Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As per usual, I shall get to it. So I'm really sorry for the sun shining right through the blinds. I cannot get away from it. So I'll get to it. Sketch number 1 took 3 minutes. Sketch number 2 took 2 minutes 20 seconds. Actually 2 and 3 took the same amount of time. This is how I am improving my sketches very quickly and efficiently and producing these sketches within literally a matter of minutes instead of say half an hour, which is what I used to be like. So I apply geometric and observational methods along with good speed, creating the feedback loop. The feedback loop is where you get the important information and the analysis of your sketches to where you can then critique your work and see where you could go, where the mistakes you're creating, have a really good proper look at what's going on, what you're overdoing, what you're not doing, the proportions that you're putting down, that kind of thing. So yeah, it's a good start. I haven't actually sketched male faces in a couple of weeks, so it's good to go back to trying male faces again. So I shall keep going. It's usually females at the moment. I don't know why, but it's good to mix it up every now and again. So yeah, really happy with this page, and stay tuned for the rest of the stuff. Thanks guys!